Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for motorcycles in the AutoScout24 app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the AutoScout24 app and tap on Start Search, and here you can see search for cars. On the top you can see this car icon, and next to it you can see this motorcycle icon. If you tap on it, you switch to motorcycle and you add your preferences, what you would have to search for, and you can tap on results on the bottom on this yellow box, and here you will see your search. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.